Okay, hello. Right, okay. Well, that was just a short as I've just put up. If I can find out how to use the shorts, I've never used them before, so there you go. Anyway, hello and welcome. It's been a while, excuse me, but that's how things are at the moment with me, and I'm not using my camera setup, I'm just working off the iPad at this moment in time as it's quick. Now then, as you've seen, we've got the first part of the framework built, up and done and screwed together. I was going to glue it and screw it, and I thought to myself, well, it's a bit OTT, I think, really. There's no need for it, any road up. Just screwing it will be good enough, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just screwing it together. The shelving is going to be, now then, I did have a piece of that thick, the shelving is, and it's going to be in strips. That's because what I've got in the shed, so I might as well use it. Why go out and buy stuff specially for doing something with? I only need to do that if I'm making stuff. Wow, making stuff. Oh. I do apologise. You never really see me make stuff on this on these videos, due to the fact at the moment I'm doing more work on sorting my shed out and my kit out than when I'm actually making stuff. I mean, I've got some coming up. I doubt whether it's going to be this year because summer's almost over. And a lot of you guys already know what the situation is. I know I keep on bringing it up, but it helps me. And the thing is, I'd like to say again, many thanks to all of you, to all of you guys that support this channel, for being there when I've needed you. You've been great, and things have been doing reasonably well. As I say, with these days over mental health situations, as a lot of people tend to have, it's nice to have people that are concerned about these sort of things. But anyway, Margie, thank you very much appreciated. We're up to about 450. I tell you what, it's taken some time to get up to them many. I'd love for be round about the 500 mark on Christmas, but I very much doubt it. I don't know what else to say about that. It is what it is. So there we go. I've done this channel mainly to show my journey of the times while I've been retired as to what I've done. And I know it sounds daft. I know this is going to sound morbid, and I do apologise, as it's going to be a case of like that what family I've got left have got something to look on to and say, well, there he is, the old miserable bugger. But there you go. It's all good fun. So yeah, that's the first part done. I'm going to get the second part done now. I know I said I was going to video it, but at the moment, the way things are, I can't have my full kit up just in case Sue wants me, you know, so I have to go with the flow, as they say. Right, so I'm going to go say ta-ta to you now, and I'm going to get the second part done up. This has taken me months to build. And instead of like of a few weeks, but it's actually taken months, but it is what it is. Hey, I'm losing it again. Sorry, my mind's drifting off. By the way, as well, there is a guy I'd like to mention. Deano's workshop. a nice guy, and I found out that he lives just up the road from me, you know, not far from me at all. And if you like my channel, I think you'll like his. He does a lot more in the making stuff, and but again, he's like me. He's doing things like as an experience of being towards retirement, and also like myself, his dear lady is not the grandest of help. So find his channel, friends, and give him a bit of love. Send him goodness, and support his channel as you support mine. It would be much appreciated from my point of view. So that's Deano's workshop. You'll find him somewhere along the line. It's his motive is like a saw. A table saw, which is in black and white, I think it is, if I remember right, the colours. So search him out and tell him as I've sent you. Anyway, look after yourselves. Weekend's coming up. Have a great week, what's left of it, and have a fantastic weekend. And I'll try and get another one up as soon as I can. Sorry this short and sweet, but it is what it is. Love you all, and thank you very much for your support. Much appreciated. Bye-bye.